So I went to a panel discussion this last summer on ethics and AI, and after that panel discussion, went home and Googled ethics and AI and found Assembly.
I've always been interested in where technology meets humans and the interface and the interplay between that. And this seems like AI is a new area where we need to start thinking about this, and it really interested me.
I studied philosophy and ethics as an undergraduate, and then did my graduate work in data science. And so when I saw that this year's program was on artificial intelligence and governance, I was super excited because it's really the intersection of what I think about and what I work on. So I really just wanted to have the opportunity to come work with other really interesting people from diverse backgrounds and think about topics that are things that I think about a lot.
I'm here at Assembly in something of a wild card role. I run a design firm in New York called FUSA, and I teach design and management. And I'm interested in artificial intelligence applications because they're an interesting problem for participation and inclusion.
We feel that there is a really interesting movement of municipal leadership across the globe working to tackle some of the most pressing challenges that we think we're facing. You see it around climate change, you see it around resiliency, so many decisions that are really at the closest connection point to the citizens trying to solve some of these challenges.
The project that we have developed right now is one on empowering people and investigating kind of the structure and dynamics of power in terms of data and machine learning.
So for the folks that are in our group, we felt and feel that we're very passionate about helping shape the policy narrative and landscape and development around the questions of artificial intelligence.
So we're focusing on cities at the municipal level. I'm separate from Assembly. I'm on an innovation committee for the city of Somerville locally. And so looking at what questions do cities have, do city leaders have, how are they thinking about AI?
I couldn't have imagined how comprehensive and consuming it would be to spend 2 full weeks embedded in this work with such like-minded people. So it's been incredible is actually the short answer.
The single thing that I've enjoyed the most about Assembly so far is how incredibly thoughtful and humble everyone is. And it's really just been such a meaningful experience.
At each event I go to, I meet one of those people that I wanted to meet without knowing in advance who they would be.
I've been struck by the number of really intelligent and curious people that I've encountered here. And so it's been almost uniformly positive.
What's great about Assembly is that it's a really interdisciplinary and diverse group of people. So coming in as a computer scientist, as a designer and researcher, meeting a lot of people that are coming from the policy side and thinking about ethics and government has been really illuminating.
It's immersive in a problem area that is something I've been passionate about for so long, and I feel like being able to come here and continually articulate what I've done, what I want to do, why I care, with folks who share that passion but may come at it from a different perspective, it has been so powerful in terms of helping me understand why I'm here and what I want to do with it.
My perspective and my opinions are useful here in ways that I didn't fully account for beforehand.
There is some of the more obvious benefits of being affiliated with such world-renowned institutions like MIT and the Media Lab and Harvard and Berkeley Klein Center, but also for you as an individual, the opportunity to sit so strongly in the space of what types of problems might be interesting to you is one that I think is incredibly powerful almost at any stage of your career.
I bring a perspective that is less well represented in these communities. You know, that of the design person, that of integrating different discourses, and that of thinking, and bringing a pretty rigorous social science and humanistic kind of outlook to some of these questions.
Not a day has gone by where I haven't looked around and thought about how grateful I am and how much of a privilege it is to be in this room and in this program.